it's Viviana, and today I don't know why, but I have a sudden urge to big chop. Well, not really to big chop per se, but I'm feeling for short hair, at least temporarily. So before I could reach for the scissors, I came across this photo of my then friend, now husband, and this was back when we were in university. Aww. But focus on my hair, focus on my hair. Funny part is, my hair was actually long and relaxed in this photo. Yeah, the mini afro you see in this photo is actually crochet braids.
Oh dear. So looking back at this photo, I realized that it's the wrong hair I bought. I hope this can still work.
So I figured this is a perfect style to protect my hair, and it will give me that nice cute short look temporarily without reaching for the scissors. So my hair right now is freshly washed, damp, and the only thing I have in it is leave-in conditioner. So here's the plan of action. I'm going to do some cute cornrows to the front of my head. Yeah, because you know, I want to add some accessories. So let me just separate that section. It ain't perfect, but for real, this part not going to even show up. So with the front of my hair, I just going to skip through this part very quickly. I don't really know even what I'm doing yet. I just want a nice cute little cornrow style. So I'm just winging it. Let's balance it out. And do the other side. Yeah. Let's do that. Add in some edge control to make the part nice and neat. Moisturize my hair, because it don't make sense to protect my hair if it ain't moisturized, okay? So I want another cornrow right in the center. I want one of those nice looking Fulani, that's what you call it? The Fulani inspired braids? Yeah, I want a Fulani inspired cornrow pattern. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Look at me. Not looking like a full amateur. Alright, so now I have to figure out the pattern for this side of my hair so I can duplicate it on this side of my head. So the thing with crochet braids, it can look very gappy if you don't position the cornrows right. So to prevent too much gap showing at the front of my hair, I want to link all these cornrows as like a anchor braid for the front pieces of curly hair. Yeah, in theory, that is supposed to help the front of my hair to look a lot fuller and seamless and real. I could have just do a wash and go and just do this like, I don't know, do like a bantu knot and call that a style, and that's done. But that's not what we're doing. So what I'm gonna do now is to put some jumbo cornrows in the back of my head. They can't be too big though, because the hair is so short. I don't want the cornrows to be too big so that the hair can't really wrap around them. You know what I mean?
So for this style to work, I need all my hair to be totally hidden. So what I'm doing is, while I'm doing these jumbo cornrows, I'm picking up the end of the previous cornrow and adding it to the cornrow that I'm currently doing.
Alright, the hardest part is done now. I'm tired! I've been at this for an hour and a half. Funny part is, for y'all, this is only going to be like 3 minutes. But now we need to deal with these pieces of hair. So I'm going to use some embroidered thread and I'm going to sew these pieces of hair up between the cornrows.
And by sew, I mean I'm using my crochet needle. That's what it's called, right? No, my latch hook needle. Yeah, I used my latch hook needle and my embroidery thread to hold my hair in place.
And with these pieces of hair at the front, I'm going to cross them. Yeah, and cross it like this, kind of flat on my head. That can work. And sew it down like this. Let's hope the fake hair is fluffy enough to hide the bulges. I really hope this works. I hope this works. I hope this works. I hope this works. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was fun. I need a break. It was a long break. So while I was on my break, I dug up this old photo of when I first did this style. And when I saw this photo, that's when I realized I definitely bought the wrong hair. It's not even about the brand or anything, but the hair I bought comes on a width. Yeah. This part here that you're supposed to sew onto your head, this is called the width. Yeah. So that's not a big deal. Fine. I can just use my scissors and cut the hair off. Fine. However, that hair back then was 20 inches and this is only 10 inches. It should be fine. It's gonna be fine. We'll be fine. Our afro is just gonna be a lot shorter than I originally intended. let's get started. So cutting. Let me just show you the technique. With a piece at the front. Alright, so push it through. And my latch is open. This is closed. This is open. Push it through. Close the latch. Put it through. And then just gonna knot it. And that's that.
Oh crap. This is definitely not the correct hair. Just continue though. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Let me feel it out a bit more before I pass judgment. Yeah, not there. Because it come off the weft, it just shedding. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store and buy the correct hair. I'm back. So I have the correct hair this time. So it's bulk Afro kinky hair, and that means no weft. So it has these little elastics holding them together. So just remove the elastic. So for future reference, educational purposes, Afro kinky is not the same as Afro curl. And the thing is, if it wasn't for the shedding, I'd try and make it work, you know? I'd try and make it work. But this hair was shedding everywhere. So let's start this again. And it's the same technique. Through. One knot. Maybe I'm just biased as well, but this even looks fuller. So I have here color number 4 and 1B27. I'm not even done yet, but I'm loving how this looking so far. I'm so excited. So, this is all the hair I have left from the 2 packs. It should be able to finish up this last section. So I've switched up the technique to the front of my hair so I get a more seamless blend. Yeah, so let me show you that. So this is it. So I push the pressure needle through. I take up the hair right at the center. Lock it. But instead of pulling the entire hair through, I'm going to push the needle back forward and I'm picking up half of the hair and pull it through. And that way, I have a nice full piece at the front to blend. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you're still filming? Ooh, like.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yay.
I don't know how you make your hair look so short.
Oh?
I don't know how you made your hair look that short.
Made my hair look this short?
Or is it it's an afro?
It's braids, Jay.
Oh, it's a braid. Alright, sorry. Braid. Yeah, you fooled me the first time, remember? Way back.
Exactly.
So,
I was wondering if you would have remembered it. I hope I got the shape right. I am loving this. Like, I am feeling myself. Like, nice. Okay. Am I not cute? And yes, you can do this technique with almost any type of hair. Bulk hair. Stay away from the hair on waves. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. I am so glad I did this style. It's definitely scratching that big chop itch. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's okay. It's okay. I understand. You came here thinking I was going to actually cut off my hair, and instead I gave you a fake style looking like I cut off my hair.
You lie!
I don't lie. I protect and I feed and I teach.
It's okay though. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching.